You want to give a GoPro kiss?
Wow. You want to kiss my gun cam?
So I got a little bit of a scavenger hunt going on. So in today's video, 2 items fall off a gun, and if you can tell me what they are and where they fell off, you'll win a free bag of BBs. First person to comment wins.
Feet don't fail me now. Take me to the finish line. All my heart it breaks every step that I take, but I'm hoping at the gates they'll tell me that you're mine. Walking through the city streets, is it by mistake or design? I feel so alone on the Friday nights. Can you make it feel like home if I tell you you're mine? It's like I told you, honey. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough, I don't know why. Keep making me laugh, let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on, try to have fun in the meantime. Take a walk on the outside, let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. Like a Christmas sleigh. Choose your last words, this is the last time. You and I, we were born to fly.
In the moment.
I can see, but once I was blind. I was so confused as a little child, trying to take what I could get, scared that I couldn't find all the answers, honey. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough, I don't know why. Keep making me laugh, let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on, have fun in the meantime. Come take a walk on the wild side, let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. Feel like a Christmas sleigh.
Are you dry firing?
So choose your last words, this is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to fly.
You're gay! What? I got... You're getting recorded, so you better do some good. Do something, Isaiah! And he's on the GoPro.
You got me right in the cat.
You and I,
I'm mad now.
One up here. Don't blind fire. You got to shoulder it. You got to shoulder it. You can't blind fire. Yeah. Like. Hey, idiot!
That was close. It's still on near side
I'm so sorry.
You alright, buddy?
Oh yeah?
Oh, Gopnik violence. So I'm here to kill the radio man again.
You can have it. We're leaving.
We're leaving, Eric.
He's right there. You're right there.